Little Spot of Christmas, a story about Santa's helper, written and illustrated by Diane, Alber. Hi, I'm a little spot of Christmas. I'm here to help you get ready for Santa. We love Christmas. Every year I come at the beginning of December. Santa sends me all the way from the North Pole. Santa thought it would be nice for you to help picking out a Christmas tree. I can also help hang lights, build a snowman, make cookies and marshmallows, 2 hot chocolate, and even plan Christmas arts and crafts. And of course, I can help wrap presents. One of my favorite things to do. But then I got thinking, Santa doesn't look to see if you decorated your Christmas tree right or count how many cookies you made. He just wants to be happy on Christmas. That's when I realized Santa works so hard to bring joy to all of us on Christmas. He delivers presents to millions of children every year in one day. That can't be easy. So what if we tried bringing this joy to Santa too? We could get him a present. That's a great idea. There is just one problem. What do we get him? First I thought candy canes, but there are plenty of those in Santa's house. Then I went looking around my house and I found a toaster. But who wants a toaster for Christmas? And finally I thought my final thought was a banana. No, that doesn't seem great. I don't have money, so is this becoming harder than I thought? Well, then I remembered that Santa loves things that money can't buy, like kindness, patience, being thankful, giving, and love. So I asked the spots to help me out. And we came up with this amazing chart as a gift to Santa. It would surely bring Santa joy on Christmas. I see how children were kind, giving, patient, thankful, and loving this year. It would be the best gift ever. I can imagine Santa on Christmas Eve, seeing his chart right next to the milk and cookies. He would be shocked at all amazing things you have done to him, making Christmas special for him. This is the best gift of all. Yippee! What do you say? Will you help? Sure. What is patience? Don't worry, the spots I know are here to help you, in fact. You may not even realize that you are doing these things already. Patience is being able to wait without getting upset. You need to have patience when waiting for Christmas. You also have to be patient when making cookies. You have to wait until the cookies bake in the oven. You have to wait again until they are cool enough to eat. Patience. I didn't know that having patience could be so much fun. Thank you for getting me water. thankful is next. Being thankful means you are happy about the things that have and are grateful when people do something for you. I have an idea. Why don't you make a list of the things you are thankful for? I bet Santa would love to see this too. Giving is also on the chart. Giving is when you do something for someone or giving something to someone else. When you helped your mom with the laundry and cleaned the house, that was a great way to give your time to help. Kindness is another box. Kindness can come in so many forms. When you are kind, you're thinking of someone other than yourself and hoping to make them happy. You are showing kindness by taking the time to send this beautiful drawing to your friend. Kindness. You remembered to call your grandma to say hello. That is so kind. Great job being kind and helping your sister with the giant snowball. Love's one of my favorite on this chart. You are a great teacher. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Thank you for explaining it to all of us. We can't wait to get started. I think Santa would love to get this gift from lots of kids. Do you think you could help too?